Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix packet loss on Valorant. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now let's get straight to the video. So the first thing you want to try is to use Ethernet, but if you are using Wi-Fi, then unplug your router and turn it back on after 30 seconds. Now if you can use Ethernet, because it will be a way better performance. Now, if you are using, for example, Wi-Fi, you want to use less devices on the same network so that the network wouldn't be crowded. So to know that, you want to go to Task Manager, and you also want to disconnect your phone, your tablet, and so on and so forth from that same internet. And now here on Task Manager, you want to go ahead and choose, look at this network option, and where it will be a lot of usage, then you want to go ahead and just end the task, and just like so, it should lower your network usage. So that's that about the Task Manager. Now you want to go to your control panel, just like so, and from here you want to choose a network and internet, so it's right there. And after that you want to choose network and sharing center, and you want to change adapter settings right there. So now you're going to choose either Ethernet if you're using it, or Wi-Fi, and right click on it and then choose properties. Now this will pop up. Now you want to make sure that protocol version 4, internet protocol version 4, IPv4 is selected, and version 6 can be unselected, but it actually doesn't do anything for Valorant. But on protocol version 4 you want to go to its properties, or just click on it. So let's go on properties. And then use the following DNS server addresses. You want to choose preferred DNS server and alternate. So the fastest would be Cloudflare. So this one, 1111 and 1001. So, or you can also use 48s and 8844. So that's pretty much it. Now you're gonna click OK, and you're gonna close it. So these are the network settings. After you have changed that, you want to run cmd command prompt, open it up, and what you need to write down here is go ahead and write down ipconfig, then a space /flushdns, and click enter. This restores connectivity issues. So now you want to go to firewall, just write down firewall and network protection, open it up. Now you're going to click allow an app through firewall, and you want to make sure that Riot client is already here. Now once you are here on allowed apps, you want to change the settings. We want to tick the Riot client, just like so. You can both use public and private if you want to. Then you're gonna click OK. Now once you're done with this, and you also close the background apps on Task Manager that are eating up your network resources, you can try one more thing to do, is go to your settings, then go to system at the top here, then you're gonna choose display, choose a monitor on which one you are playing, Valorant. Then you're gonna scroll down until you see graphics right there, and then you're gonna scroll down until you see Valorant. From here you want to choose high performance NVIDIA GeForce, for example, for me, and reset it to this specific GPU. And also, if there's no Riot client here, you want to add a desktop app. So you want to find Riot client services application. So I'm just gonna go ahead, open PyLocation, and here it is. Now you want to copy the path right there, just like so. And once you add desktop app, I'm just gonna go ahead and paste it. And here it is, right client services. You want to add it right there, and also choose GPU, the high performance NVIDIA GeForce, and reset. After that, you will need to restart your PC. And that's pretty much it. It should fix your packet loss problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.